Hello guys, it's me Jan Andrian Lapat and I will explain to you how to be a successful baker. First is to be a successful baker, you should know how to be a organizing person because organizing is the one thing that you need when you are a baker. Because organizing is used to organize the thing that you need to bake. Example, baking tools, equipment, personal protective equipment, and ingredients of baking. Also, if you are organizing, you can easily find the thing that you need when you are doing a baking. And also, can prevent it from storing or containing bacteria. Second is attention to details. You need to know or study the specific tools or ingredients when you are going to bake something like a cake, cookies, and bread to be prepared before you start to bake. As well, you need to study or memorize the process before you begin because process is important too when you are going to bake. Third is practicing hydrogen because practicing hydrogen is very important as a baker because the baker is make the food that people eat. So if you are not physically clean, you can transfer the bacteria or germs to the food you make, which can cause illness to people who eat your make food. Fourth is patience and dedication. If you don't have patience in baking, the bread or cake that you make might be the result for your product maybe is bad or unpleasant. If you don't have a dedication to what you do, is maybe the bread is not delicious. Attention to details. If you are a student and your school is having a contest about baking and you are the one of the student select to representative your section, it will be easy for you because you know the process and ingredients to make of a bread. As for you, it will be easy. If you have a soft rice quiz and it's about how to bake cake and what is the ingredients that you need in the cake, you can perfect the quiz because you memorize the process and ingredients of the cake. Attention to details. If you are a student and your school is having a contest about baking and you are the one of the student select to representative your section, it will be easy for you because you know the process and ingredients to make of a bread. As for you, it will be easy. If you have a soft rice quiz and it's about how to bake cake and what is the ingredients that you need in the cake, you can perfect the quiz because you memorize the process and ingredients of the cake. Practicing hydrogen, your teacher in bread and pastry subject is ask you what is important of practicing hydrogen. You can answer her question because it is one thing that you need to know when you are take the bake and pastry subject. Patient and determined, my cousin Tricia have a patient and determined. That's why he have a good product of cake that he made. Measuring the quantities correctly. Why? Because measuring the right ingredients is one of the things that baker do, because it is one of the process that you need to do to have a product correctly. So if you measure is not correct, the product is will be not pleasurable and the taste is not good, and nobody want to order or eat your cake or bread. Use top quality ingredients to achieve the cake or bread that what you want to bake. With quality ingredients, not only you will use good quality ingredients will enhance the taste of your cake or bread, but there will be also give you a better result. I know it may be elementary to say it, but use fresh ingredients will make a hugging different in the flavor and overall appearance for your cake or bread. Don't be destructive, because being destructive is detrimental to the things you want to do. If you a baker, the result of your food you make may be bad, or it may taste bad because you are out of your mind. So to do avoid it, think of good things, and also think that the food you make is for your loved ones. Read your recipe carefully before you start, because read or understanding carefully the process, measuring of ingredients, and some ingredients that you need will use in baking. It will be help you to finish baking immediately, or it will help you to have a good and delicious result of your product, your bake.